Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Center. This is Gayana. Today video is all about Urdhva Kukkutasana. Before moving to the video, do subscribe and click a bell icon and you are not going to miss any videos from our channel. Urdhva Kukkutasana. The word Urdhva Kukkutasana means Urdhva means upward, Kukkuta means cock. Before moving to the asana, you should master some of the asana or preparatory poses like Padmasana, Bakasana and Salamba Shirasasana as well. The first step is you have to apply the Padmasana without the hand support. Okay, this is very important. So this is very important. And the second step is now slowly with the support of your hands, slowly stand on the knees like this. Now slowly place your palms on the floor. Now slowly walk your knees towards the palm and slowly head up and slowly look forward and stay here. So this is the second step. Just stay as long as possible in this pose. Let us do it for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly walk your knees back and slowly relax. And the step 3 is slowly place your palms in the floor. Next continue to the Salamba Shirasasana. Just keep your crown of the head to the mat. Now slowly lift your knees up. Make sure the elbows should be squeeze inward. Do not open up your elbows wide. If you open up the elbows like this, you may get chances for fall down. Now slowly walk your knees and slowly bend the legs. Place your one leg near to the armpit, other leg near to the armpit. Now slowly lift your both legs up. From here you should apply the Padmasana. Now slowly just bend the legs like this and stay here for few breaths. Now slowly bend the knees as closer to the armpit and straighten up the knees. Bend the knees and straight. Bend the knees and straight. So when you practice this movement, you will get stability in the body and you can get more strength as well. Yes. Now slowly raise your legs from Padmasana. Slowly legs down and slowly relax. And slowly relax in Shashankasana. And slowly come up. And the next step is same way. Come to Salamba Shirasasana. Lift the knees on the hands. Slowly lift up the legs. Slowly come to Padmasana. Just bring your knees as close to the armpit as possible. Now slowly take your complete body weight towards the palms. Slowly buttocks backward. Now slowly lift the head up. Stay here. And down. Once again up and down. Up and down. Up. Try to practice this exercise about 5 times or else 6 times. Now this time we are going to hold for few seconds. Now slowly lift your head up. It's okay if you bend the elbows in the beginning. Now slowly up and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly down. Now let us apply all these steps and let us do final position. Slowly come to Salamba Shirasasana. Knees up. Now slowly legs in lotus pose. Now slowly, knees on the near to the armpit. Slowly, buttocks towards the back side. Now slowly, take your complete body weight towards the palms and slowly lift your head up. Now slowly straighten up the elbows and look forward. And this is the final position of Urdhva Kukkutasana. Now slowly bend the elbows. Slowly, crown of the head to the mat. Slowly legs up. Slowly release the legs and drop the legs down. And relax in Shashankasana. Benefits of Urdhva Kukkutasana. It gives a good stretch for the hip and the spine. It helps in strengthen the wrist and the arms. It strengthens and tones various muscles and organs in the abdominal region. I really hope this video is helpful with your practice, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share this video and comment down in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video. Namaste.